So hey guys, just want to make a really quick video about the known problem with the new graphic card RX 5600 XT. Not really new at this point, but ever since I got the card, after I install it, when I open PUBG and games like that, it crashes very often, and when I'm in the lobby, I see a lot of flickering. So first I thought it would be my HDMI cable that's breaking down, but no luck. Checked the driver. The driver was new, so and the problem existed. So I went on checking the monitor. Monitor was okay. In the end, I did a lot of research. It seems like it was the BIOS that's causing the problem. So I went to my website. Right, I got the card from Asus, and like on the site, basically you do a little search, like find your drivers type of thing, and then you find your driver. You find your graphic card, and then you go into your drivers and tools tab, and then there's like the BIOS. So it's really neat nowadays to flash your BIOS. You don't really need to get like a memory stick or anything. You just download this. Right, download the BIOS here, the level application. Once that's downloaded, it's gonna be in a zip file. You want to unzip it and just run it. And once you run it, it's gonna once you run it, there are some like instructions to follow to make sure, for example, like make sure you have the driver installed properly and stuff like that. But it will flash the BIOS automatic for you, right? So you don't need to go to BIOS like through the command line and stuff like that. Like when you start and press F2 or F4, stuff like that. You don't really need to do that anymore. Once that's done, a little pop-up window will show up, and it will ask you to restart your computer. So and yeah, so that's pretty much it. I think this will fix a lot of the problem for RX series, so like the 5600, 5700. But make sure before you flash your BIOS, you want to just check for simple things. So like if your HDMI cable or DP cable is broken, stuff like that. And if nothing else works, then you may really want to flash your BIOS. Okay, cool. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.